Hello friends, I am Mr. Haider Raza and as usual I welcome to you in my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, once again we are going to learn one more topic from 9th standard lower level English, and that is reading works of art. Means in this topic we shall learn information about a great artist, Syed Haider Raza. So let's watch audio-visual effect of this topic. Before watching the explanation of this topic, I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel. Friends, Syed Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, he is a renowned Indian artist. Renowned means very famous, popular Indian artist. Let's see the characteristic of his paintings. Please watch on the screen. The characteristics are simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions. These are some of the characteristic features of his paintings, as well as the colors blue and orange he used in his paintings. Friends, Syed Haider Raza's paintings, none of his paintings depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from environment. Means in his paintings we cannot see or find human life description or environmental scenes. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factors. This type of paintings creates when artist peep into his inner mind. In a simple way, when the artist thoughts think or realize himself, that time such type of paintings created. These type of paintings are made by arranging lines, circle, triangle, squares, rectangle, dots in different compositions using effective techniques such as applying paint, achieving balances in some places and creating imbalance in other places. So from these combinations, such types of paintings created or originated. So these are the paintings made by Syed Haider Raza. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and heritage, cultural context and philosophy. His pictures seems to radiate peace and life at the same time. Means in his paintings or art we can see peace and life of combination. These are the combination in his paintings. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Means in his painting we can realize, we understood the deep thought of human beings. Very few abstract paintings communicate with viewers as much as Raza do. It means there are no any other such type of abstract paintings which can communicate with viewers, but either Raza's paintings we can see his abstract paintings are communicating with viewers. Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint at the age of 12. He studied art in Chitrakala Mahavidyalay, Nagpur, and then JG Schools of Art in Mumbai. Later, he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. For your kind information, his wife was French. Friends, Syed Haider Raza won many national and international awards. He was honored with all three Padma Awards, and these are Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan awards. With all the honors and awards, and his paintings were exploring spiritual and metaphysical paths. Metaphysical means related to the philosophy. Gradually or slowly, the bindu or the point became the core of his painting, the central point of his paintings. He described his work in these words. He says that my work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which expressed color, light, line, and space. Means Syed Haider Raza's paintings describes that mysteries of nature. He described there through the different color combinations. Friends, sometimes artists' thoughts seems to be more complex or complicated when they are expressed, when they are told through the words. It means artists' thoughts we cannot understand clearly through their words. Syed Haider says that, Syed Haider Raza says that effective communication medium is paintings. Raza says that. Raza had a great creativity. His paintings are very expressive. This great artist passed away 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94, leaving behind a great legacy of sensitive paintings that depicts extraordinary compositions. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you like it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.